our main concern, we as the UDP, our main concern is that we have to protect as much as possible the right of the people of Meghalaya. We have to see that the Meghalaya develop, we'll try to see that the interest of the local indigenous people is being served in the state of Meghalaya. So I cannot comment on any regional front or new front, if any, is being formed until and unless we see what is the program, what is the motive, or what is the motto, then only I can comment on any new front. As of now, since this is a new thing, we have not sat in the party, I cannot speak on that. As I said, that we have to see what if it is formed, how it is formed, what type of front, what is its ideology. That is the main purpose. Because for us, whether regional, whether national, uh, the the interest of the state, interest of the indigenous people of the state is paramount.